When going up the stairs, it is important to always go up with the good leg first. The cane always stays with the injured leg in the opposite hand. This is showing a step 2 pattern because they are stepping to the good leg. If a railing is available, hold the railing with the free hand. If no railing is available, this is how the step 2 pattern should be performed. Remember, the good leg always goes first and the cane stays with the injured leg for support. This is a step through pattern because the injured leg is stepping through to the next step. Hold the railing with the other hand if available. This is the step through pattern without the railing. Keep the cane with the injured leg and always start with the good leg first. When going down the stairs, the injured leg always starts first. This is a step 2 pattern because they are stepping to the bad leg. Like before, the cane always stays with the injured leg. If a railing is available, hold on with the other hand. This is a step 2 pattern without the railing. This shows a step through pattern because the good leg is stepping through to the next step. Hold the railing with the other hand if available. The step through pattern can also be done without a railing. Remember to always keep the cane with the injured leg. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.